everyone, I am Elena. Welcome to SNAPS Biology. So today we are going to discuss some important question answer on cell for your various competitive exam. But before that, if you are new to the channel, then hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that you will get all the notification from SNAPS Biology. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. In which cell organelle nucleic acid is absent? Option A, chloroplast. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, Golgi apparatus. Option D, ribosomes. So mitochondria and chloroplast have their own DNA and ribosomes are partly made up of RNA, that is ribonucleic acids. So odd one is what? Golgi apparatus, where the nucleic acid is absent. Okay. Next, question number 2. If ribosomes of a cell are destroyed, then option A, fats will not stored. Option B, proteins will not be formed. Option C, carbon assimilation will not occur. Option D, respiration will not take place. So the main function of ribosome is protein synthesis. So if ribosomes of a cell are destroyed, then proteins will not be formed. Option B. Next, question number 3. If we separate the cell organelles of a living cell, which parts should be alive? Option A, endoplasmic reticulum. Option B, chloroplast. Option C, cell wall. Option D, ribosomes. So in a eukaryotic cell, the membrane bounded organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast have their own DNA as well as their own protein synthesizing machinery. Also, chloroplast can synthesize sugar through the process of photosynthesis and hence is not dependent on cell cytoplasm for energy. So answer will be option B, chloroplast. Next, question number 4. The process in the cell that is the source of energy per cellular activities is option A, photosynthesis. Option B, respiration. Option C, fermentation. Option D, all of this. So photosynthesis, the process by which green plants and certain other organisms transform light energy into chemical energy. During photosynthesis in green plants, light energy is captured and used to convert water, carbon dioxide and minerals into oxygen and energy rich organic compounds. Then respiration is also takes place in the cells. In this process, glucose is oxidized through the metabolic pathway like glycolysis in cytoplasm and Krebs cycle in mitochondria and produces energy in the form of ATP. ATP is further utilized by the different cell for their activities. And fermentation is another anaerobic pathway for breaking down of glucose, and in fermentation the only energy is extract from the glycolysis pathway. So all these three processes which occur in the cell, that is the source of energy for cellular activities. So answer will be option D, all of this. Next, question number 5. An interconnecting membranous network of cell composed vesicles, flattened sacs and tubules is option A, lysosomes. Option B, nucleus. Option C, mitochondria. Option D, endoplasmic reticulum. So here answer will be option D, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of tubules, vesicles and flattened sacs that are interconnected. They may serve a specialized function in the cells including protein synthesis, production of insertion of membrane proteins. Okay. Next, question number 6. In a cell membrane, integral proteins are option A, partially or totally buried in the membrane. Option B, partially attached to the surface of the membrane. Option C, permanently attached to the outer surface of the membrane. Option D, temporarily attached to the surface of the membrane. So look at the diagram here. In the cell membrane, integral proteins are partially or totally buried in the membrane. So answer is option A. Next, question number 7. Mitochondria will be found in abundance in cells of option A minimum activity, option B average activity, option C maximum activity, option D none of the above. So cells which are metabolically active contain mitochondria in abundance. So answer is option C. Next, question number 8. The types of ribosomes found in prokaryotic cells are option A 100S, option B 80S, option C 60S, option D 70S. So ribosomes are electron microscopic ribonucleoprotein particles attached either on rough endoplasmic reticulum in eukaryotic cell or free cytoplasm in prokaryotic cell. The ribosomes found prokaryotes are 70S type while in eukaryotes are 80S type. Okay, so answer is option D. Next, question number 9. Tonoplast is the membrane covering of option A vacuole, option B mitochondria, option C chloroplast, option D lysosomes. So what will be the answer? Answer is option A vacuole. So vacuole is a sac bounded by a single membrane called tonoplast. It contains sap, a concentrated solution of various substances like mineral salts, sugar, pigments, organic acids, enzymes, etc. Okay. Next, question number 10. Plasma membrane is made up of option A lipid, protein and water, option B lipid, protein and manganese, option C lipid and carbohydrate, option D lipid, protein and carbohydrate. So every living cell is externally covered by a thin transparent electron microscopic elastic semi-permeable membrane called cell membrane. It is composed of lipids, mostly phospholipid, proteins, that is peripheral and integral protein, and carbohydrates, that is glycoprotein and glycolipids. Okay, so answer is option D lipid, protein and carbohydrate. Next, question number 11. Purines possess nitrogen at option A first, second, fourth and sixth position, option B first, third, fifth and seventh position, option C first, third, seventh and ninth position, option D first, second, sixth and eighth position. So here is the purine ring possess nitrogen at first, third, seventh and ninth position. Okay, so answer is option C. Next, question number 12. RNA and DNA are similar in option A having similar sugars, option B having similar pyrimidine, option C being capable to replicate, option D being polymers of nucleotides. So the deoxyribonucleotide units of DNA contain 2-deoxy-D-ribose sugars and the ribonucleotide units of RNA contain D-ribose sugar. So option A will be wrong. Next is having similar pyrimidine base. But the DNA and RNA both have 4 bases, 2 purines and 2 pyrimidine in nucleotide chain. The purine are adenine and guanine and the pyrimidine is cytosine are common to both DNA and RNA. DNA has the pyrimidine thiamine and RNA has the pyrimidine uracil. So option B is also incorrect. And then option C is being capable to replicate. Okay, so DNA replication is a bidirectional semi-conservative event which is carried out by primer dependent DNA polymerase enzyme using the DNA template strand, and RNA replication occur by transcription DNA template that is carried out in the nucleus. So here option C also incorrect. Then option D is being polymers of nucleotides. So DNA and RNA are the polymers of nucleotides which are made up of sugar, the nitrogenous base and phosphate moiety, which makes option D correct. Okay. Next, question number 13. What is the common between chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast? Option A, presence of pigments. Option B, position of thylakoids and grana. Option C, storage of starch, proteins and lipids. Option D, ability to multiply by a fission-like process. So here answer will be option D. The common among all the three organelles are that they have ability to multiply by a fission-like process because these organelles contain their own genetic material and protein synthesizing machinery, that is DNA, RNA and ribosomes. Okay. Next, question number 14. The nucleus is separated from surrounding cytoplasm by a nuclear membrane which is option A, single layered with pores. Option B, single layered without pores. Option C, double layered with pores. Option D, double layered without pores. So surrounding every nucleus is a double layered membrane called the nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. This membrane separates the nucleoplasm from the cytoplasm. The nuclear membrane consists of two lipid bilayer, the inner nuclear membrane and the outer nuclear membrane. It also has many small holes called nuclear pores that allow material to move in and out of the nucleus. So the answer is option C, double layered with pores. Next, question number 15. Which of these is mismatched? Option A, amyloplast, store protein granules. Option B, elaioplast, store oils or fats. Option C, chloroplast, contain chlorophyll pigments. Option D, chromoplasts, contain colored pigment other than chlorophyll. Option E, leucoplast, contain colorless pigments. So on the basis of type of pigment, plastids are of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. So chloroplast contain green colored plastid, that is chlorophyll, and chromoplast contain other color other than green, and leucoplast contain colorless pigments, and they are further of three types depending upon the type of food stored. Amyloplast contain starch, elaioplast contain protein and elaioplast contain lipids or fats. So here odd one is what? Amyloplast stored protein granule, which is mismatched. So that's all for today. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.